What we like to do here is we kind of triage every opportunity that we get in. We go over all aspects of it, try to get the pertinent questions out as soon as possible, and then start to look for alternatives. Many times, as a consumer will come to us with a substrate in mind, with a design in mind. And I think we add a lot of expertise, and any good company should add a lot of expertise to what's the best path to get you to a manufacturable solution and something that could save you some money. So really, manufacturability is another thing that you have to consider. And there's a lot of good programs out there, and we have them all. And a good coding company will understand, the computer output of a theoretical curve and then what it's actually going to look like. So we get really good correlation between our theoreticals and our actual results. So you can plug a design into a film star program, say, and come out with 100% transmission and 8 or 9 OD blocking, but it may not be considering the absorption in that area and how some of the reflected layers react together, give you gaps and cavities. So if you characterize your files properly, you can get really good correlation on your theoreticals. So then finalizing the design, there's always a design review before it goes out. Probably one more pass with the customer, make sure we have everything we need, and then it'll go out to the customer. Important part of that is to follow up with the customer, make sure that once they got their quote, they understood the quote completely, they understood the theoretical data that was with it, and it doesn't end with the quote. It's usually a process, especially for complex applications.